Namaste to all. Today I am going to show how to repair the bad sector or how to realize that your hard disk of the CCTV is good or bad. Here is the DVR. It is a Hikvision DVR. I am attaching another one hard disk. This is a new one, and I am going to show how to detect your hard disk. It is good or not. So here in the screen, I click on the mouse and go to menu, and after that I choose maintenance, and then I choose hard HDD detect. Okay, and after that I choose bad sector detection, and after that I am testing the bad sector detect. Here is mentioned that normal green, damage red, and sealed is yellow. So here testing is 0, and this is the graph where the hard disk situation is showing. Just wait. Yes, this is a red color. Red color means hard disk has some problem, and error count is 1. So in that way, we realize that the hard disk of the DVR is it good or not. Okay, thank you. If the video is good, please like and share. Thank you.